So today we're going to be doing something a bit different with our Seagull. We're going to be having a look at maybe how fast this thing will turn over. I've got a tachometer here. It's actually used for model airplanes, and it's got a readout here, and it's got a measurement stick. This piece of reflective tape goes on, and there's a light in here, which actually is a, what do you call those things, a laser pointer kind of idea, and it will go on to here, and as it goes around it will measure the RPM. So we'll start her up and see what we get. As always with a Seagull, you got to count to 5. I had this running about 25 minutes ago, so we'll just see if it will just start up. The block is like stone cold, but don't want to flood it out, so we'll just see. Maybe just give it this partial choke. See what happens here. Maybe I'm gonna have to full choke and tittle and the whole 9 yards, I guess. Full throttle, full choke, tittle, gas on. We should be good. So let's have a look here. What we got here. That was 15,000 RPM. So that was at 3/4 throttle. So I didn't want to take it up completely because there's no prop on it. But I figure with 3/4 throttle, basically with the propeller on there and a full throttle, anywhere from half to 3/4 throttle without a prop on it is basically your speed. So looks like we'll be getting anywhere from 12 to maybe 14,000 RPM out of it with a prop on it, going along with my special hull that I've developed for this motor. So maybe we can hit the 20 knot mark, if not 22 knots. So we will see. Anyway, I thought you might enjoy that, how we do measure the RPM on the Seagulls.